Okay, as you know, my name is Riley, and this girl named Flower Team 8196 commented this, and thank you so much for commenting this. She said, "You are so pretty," and thank you so much for this, because that means actually a lot to me, because I have not heard of that in a long time, so thank you so much, Flower Team. So, yeah, if you want a shout-out, comment on my next video that has comments on, so, yeah, like the other people get shout-outs, so, yeah, thank you for commenting on this video, Flower Team. If you hear this video, please like this video, Flower Team, so thank you so much.